Got another video for y'all. You see the title? You see the thumbnail? Yes, sir. You see what's on the feet? Yes, sir. You see what's on the feet? These my babies right here. Yes, sir. Love these Johns. Oh my God, they look so good on feet. Like, just admire these for a second, you know. Just take a little second and admire these Johns. You feel me? Anyways, today is not about these. It's about this. That's what I'm talking about. Open this box. I just love these shoes, bro. Oh my God. These babies right here, boom. But it's not about these. So let's take these bitches off. Let's take one good look at them one more time. Oh, we got the opportunity? Yes, sir. All right. One of the most comfortable Jordan 4s ever made, if not the most comfortable Jordan 4 ever made. Let's get these bitches out. Yes, sir. Oh, my goodness. Just look at the shape. Just look at the shape. Look at the shoe. Look at the, oh my goodness. Like, the squishiness. The squishiness. The squishy,
Yeah, boy.
Hell yeah. Oh, my goodness. I can't wait to throw these on. These going on real soon. Yes, sir. Get that out of here. I purposely unlaced these prior towards making this video because I already knew I was gonna lace these up, so I might as well unlace them before I freaking do the video, you know? Hell yeah. We're gonna start from the left foot. Let's take one good look at this shoe one more time. My 10.5 tag in there, you know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. Very padded on the inside, very padded. Let me see the inside of these real quick, just to check. Yeah, very padded, very padded. I gotta remember that these are sail and this is white, two different colors. Let's get that to focus. Yes, sir. Just a beautiful shoe. Oh God, like, excuse me. This is a vibe right here. This is a vibe right here. Let me cuff these up real quick. Make sure this is nice and loose. We took some examples from my green one for Lisa B. Yeah. Something of this matter. So give me a second for that. So overall, the finishing touches, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, these shits is fucking hard. Me, I like to do my, you know what I'm saying, fix the drip, you feel me? You gotta fix the drip, you just can't walk outside anyway, you know what I'm saying? Real shit. Honestly can't tell. Y'all let me know, right? Between these and these, let me know, man. Which one y'all going with, man? Let me know. These, you know what I'm saying? These, alright, these joints is hard. I'm sorry. I want those red ones. The red ones will look nice because it already got the red right here, the red right here, and a red on the inside, then a red right here, then a red on the bottom. Like, that's gonna look nice. Like, y'all just gotta think about it. Like, bro, the red ones would probably be the hardest now that I'm thinking about it. Show you that one more time. Making wear test videos and all that. In the wear test videos, y'all stay tuned for those. Is it me, but is the leather quality in this shoe not as good as the one that's on this shoe? You see what I'm saying? The leather quality on this shoe is beautiful. That should be getting me tight. I don't know if y'all ever had that problem before from like Nike. Let's get a look at that nice bottom, bro. Got the gum bottom. I just want to thank everybody. I appreciate everybody. Don't forget to turn your post notifications on. Like, comment, subscribe. More videos like this is going to keep coming. You like the drip? You see the feet? Yeah, it look good on my feet. Yeah, I know they look good on my feet. They look good on my feet. Yeah. We out of here, y'all. Facts.